Hey everyone, this is Agam Singh Sisodia and you're watching Disease Media. Today we are going to know about the practical treatment of diabetes. If you follow that, you are definitely going to reverse the diabetes to the normal stage. I'm not going to talk about any type of medicine here because the medicines are just for suppressing the symptoms. They are not killing the actual root cause of the diabetes. They are just suppressing out the symptoms. So before going to know about the treatment of diabetes, firstly let's introduce us with the diabetes and its type. So basically diabetes is a disease in which the blood sugar level become higher in the blood, but the body is not able to utilize that sugar in generation of energy due to the lack of insulin or due to the resistance of insulin. This is like a situation when you are sitting near a sea but you can't drink a glass of water, and due to the excess sugar in the blood the person can suffer from lots of symptoms such as dehydration, frequent urination, fatigue, blurred vision and many more. And if the sugar level reaches to a height, then the person can also suffer from lots of diseases such as heart disease. Most commonly there are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In the case of type 1 diabetes, there is a deficiency of insulin production in the person's body that is not sufficient for the requirement of the body to transport the sugars to the cell and for the generation of energy. And due to the excess of sugar in the blood, the symptoms and the problems occurs with the person. Type 1 diabetes occurs due to the destruction of beta cells of pancreas which are producing the insulin for the body. And that destruction occurs due to the autoimmune disorder. Type 1 diabetes cover 10% of the ratio while type 2 diabetes cover 90% of the ratio. Means that the majority of people which are suffering from diabetes are type 2 diabetic. Type 2 diabetes occurs due to insulin resistance, means your body is not able to utilize that insulin for the transport of sugar to the cells and to generate energy. Means that the body is producing enough insulin but it is not able to utilize it due to insulin resistance. So now the question is why insulin resistance occurs. There is no exact cause that why this resistance occurs, but there are two important factors that plays the important role in it. First is obesity, that is the fattiness of your body. Second is the heredity problems or the genetic factors, means that you get the disease from your parents or from your family history. And there is one more common risk factor, that is physical inactivity. In the case of type 1 diabetes, the treatment is just the insulin, that you have to take artificial insulin so that your body can generate energy and you can utilize it. There is no permanent solution or no any cure. That is a chronic condition because your beta cells of pancreas are damaged that cannot be reversed again. That's why the disease cannot be reversed again in the case of type 1 diabetes. While in the case of type 2 diabetes, the actual root cause is the insulin resistance, not the higher level of sugar in your blood. So you have to treat the resistance of insulin, not the sugar. So to treat the resistance of insulin in your body, you have to do three important things. The first thing, that you have to cut out the sugar and carbohydrates from your diet. That is a primary step that will control the amount of sugar in your body. Let's understand it with an example, that your body needs 100 grams of sugar on its daily basis, but when you eat 1 kg of sugar, then 900 grams of excess sugar which is not required by your body start to circulate in your blood without utilization and creates problems. So the first step is to avoid sugar, take less of carbohydrate, that will solve the problem of high blood sugar. And second thing, that you have to take less calorie and low energy foods that is sufficient for your body but not enough more than the actual need of the body. That will ultimately lead to the fat degradation from your body and your body loses weight and you will become a normal weight person. You can better understand this situation from this example, that you are taking a very interesting and a very tasty food on a daily basis in the whole day, and you are taking it just for a month. Then you are getting boredom about that food, and when you take that delicious food at a single time in a day or in a week, then it's become delicious for you and you are not avoiding it. You are just taking it just for the sake of happiness. As such occurs with our body when you take lots of energetic foods that is not required by our body. The body requires a small amount but you are taking a large amount. So that the food is start storing in your body and the insulin has to work on it. So insulin get boredom and start to resist that food. That's why it is not working on the excess sugar. That's why the resistance is created. So when you decrease your obesity level, the resistance also come in the normal level and your diabetes will be reversed. And the third most important thing, that you have to burn your fat by doing exercises, workout on the daily basis, because that works a lot, because your body needs energy, and due to the workout the sugars start to burn and your resistance to insulin start to open up and become reversible to a normal state. That is a very important point. I'm not telling all this treatment on a theoretical basis, they are the actual experimental proofs. Many of the people recovers from the diabetes and they reverse the diabetes to the normal stage because of these three things, because they actually work on the root cause of diabetes, not on the superficial level or on the symptoms. So finally, it is a humble request to you, please follow this treatment procedure because they are definitely going to work with you. And if you find this video anyhow helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your family and friends, because by sharing this video, you are creating awareness about diabetes. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, select all to get more notifications about these type of videos. So that's all for today. I will see you later in the next video.